Welcome to our TechQu. Today we will explain in video about ointment manufacturing vessel. Main 3 section of ointment manufacturing vessel are: first section, ointment manufacturing vessel has 3 shells. The inner shell contains product, the intermediate shell contains dimple plates, which we heat, and the outer shell contains insulation. It reduces heat loss by insulating. Second section, these ointment manufacturing vessel are connected with steam boiler. Third section, mixing system homogenizer is installed for live batch mixing, which ensures better mixing. It also has a panel in which you can see the temperature and also control the heater and mixer. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you don't miss our future videos. We will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.